how to apply for jobs on Indeed. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a job on Indeed. So first of all, you need to come to the indeed.com, the official website, and after that you have to sign in or sign up to your account from here. And after signing in, you can just search for any kind of job. As you can see, let's search for a job like warehouse jobs, and the location you can also select that. Let's say the Newark NY, and let's search for that. And as you can see, there are multiple type of job available for this, so you just have to simply look for the category you are suitable to work in and that matches to your work experience and your educational background. So after opening several jobs, you can just look for retail warehouse, as I said, 16th Street, that's the address, and the rate they will pay is 15.60, 23.23 an hour, and that's part-time job, and it's of course on site. The skills they are required that you have experience in warehouse experience, and job type part-time, shift and schedule, weekends as needed, and holidays. And the benefits you can also check for that, pulled from the full job description, employee discount and full job description. You can just read it and see if this job fits for you, and if that is fit for your CV and matches to your job experience, you can just simply click on apply on company site, and after that you can continue with Google or Apple, or you can just give your email address and then continue and follow the guides next. And that's how you can apply for a job in Indeed, and that's for every kind of category I have shown you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.